Hi, welcome back to Daydreams of Quilts on YouTube. Today I have another package from Annie's Kit Clubs and I cannot wait to find out what's inside. So let's open it up. Oh, this is from the Holiday Club, Holiday Quilters Club, and it is Pinwheels and Ice Pops Table Runner. And multi-holiday hot pads. This one, it's got embroidery floss too, along with the fabric. There's a snowman, a pumpkin, a flip-flop, and a ladybug. These are so fun. So, these are from Annie's Kit Club, the Holiday Quilters Club, and it might take me a little while to get some of these made up, but I'm going to try and get the pumpkin made for sure since we're going into fall. Okay, so in our kit, we get an instruction booklet, which has the pattern that we need. We also need to get insulated batting. This is Insul-Bright, plus cotton batting, and I'm using Heat and Bond Light as my fusible. So I've already ironed my fabric pieces for the pumpkin hot pad, and I am now going to trace my Heat and Bond with the pattern and get cutting. So I have traced all of my shapes, so I'm just going to trim away the excess fusible and then fuse it to the back side of my fabrics, the wrong side. Okay, there we go. So I'm just flipping my fabric over so it's right sides down, and I'm gonna iron my little pumpkin stem on here. So this part is with no steam, with the Heat and Bond. Okay, and then I'll just cut it out. And I'll do the same for the rest of the pieces. Okay, so now they're all fused and cut out, so I'm just going to peel the paper backing off and start positioning them on the background fabric. Okay. So just get our little stem tucked in under our pumpkin, and then put our leaf just over top like that. For fusing, we want to use steam. So I've got a steamer iron. My other iron lost its ability to steam, but I use it for dry ironing. So I'm just gonna carefully press these into place. And I've got some thread to match, so the next step, we're going to blanket stitch all over around the shapes. Okay, so to sew the blanket stitch, I've just got this little Brother machine. It has lots of different stitches, and the blanket stitch is number 12. So we'll just line up the edge of our fabric with our needle and just start going all the way around the shape to get the blanket stitch. And I have more blanket stitching tutorials on my channel if you search for blanket stitch. So I'm just going to go all the way around all the shapes in coordinating thread. Okay, so there we go. It's all stitched around the edges. And now I'm just going to take it over to my other machine that I'm going to add the little details in with free motion quilting. I've got the green thread in the machine to start, and I've just got the pattern here to just look at. I'm just going to try to eyeball this. I'll drop my feed dogs. Oh, and I need to put my quilting foot on the machine. So I'm just going to eyeball this. I've got this layered with the cotton batting, the insole braid, and then the backing. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the loop-de-loops for the vines. There we go. Now I'll just switch out to orange thread. Okay, so I'm going really slow because I've been having some problems with my thread breaking. I don't think the machine likes going through fusible plus 2 layers of batting plus 3 layers of fabric. So take it really slow. Thankfully, it's not a very large area that needs to be quilted, so we can get through this. Okay, so now I just need to trim these threads and bind this, and we will be finished. And there we go. So cute. A little pumpkin hot pad for the fall season. I think I'll give this one to my mom for a hostess gift because she's hosting Thanksgiving next weekend. But if you would like to make this project, I'll put the link in the description below so you can sign up for Annie's Kit Clubs. And this is the holiday one. So it's an affiliate link, and I appreciate your support of my YouTube channel by clicking on affiliate links. Also, my Seam Ripper t-shirt is available in my Etsy shop, and there will be more of this collection coming soon. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos from Daydreams of Quilts. Happy quilting!